Hi guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome to this new video. The topic of the video of today is Tradovate. I will show you with a short tutorial how to trade with Tradovate, how to scalp with Tradovate actually on indexes, forex, any asset that is available on the platform. As you know, if you already are a trader with Apex or Topstep, you can use this platform to trade. And I'm just going to show you how to use the risk management, how to see your reports, and how to obviously use the whole user interface. So before we begin the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like the video, and if you are looking for a personalized and live coaching, you have all my links down below in the description. Let's go to Tradovate and let's begin with this short tutorial. Alright guys, so the first point of the video is to show you how to configure your chart elements. What can you do with the chart settings? So if you click here, you will have an access to, of course, the current chart, right? Then you can just go inside of it and choose if you want to see the chart with candlesticks, bars, a Kinashi, whatever you want. And you can also configure all the colors of your chart. The other chart setting button is sitting right there. So if you click on this button, you will have access to the price levels, the day volume profile, the market depths, etc., etc. The first thing I want you to look at is the price level. Okay, so here you can have the open price, high price, low price of the day, which could be very useful for you. The middle price will be purple, the lower price will be red, and the highest price will be green. It's a good way for you guys to know where the price is sitting right now, and to be aware that if, for example, my S&P 500 is going to crack the 5,240 level, then I'm gonna know that sellers are in control during this day because we are breaking the low. So this is right there, right? You also have the day volume profile, which is what you see here on the right corner of my screen. You will see where the volume is actually conducted during the day, which can be also very convenient for you guys because, for example, as you can see here, I had a high interest on the 18,276 price, but here around the 90, we have the second interest, right? And between these 2 points, we have nearly nothing, right? Which means that if the price is breaking this level, I know that the next interest zone will be there. So it could help you guys to have a better look at the interactions between buyers and sellers, and could help you as well to know better where to put your stop loss or take profits, whatever strategy you are using. All right, so this is for the first part about the chart settings. Now let's talk about the ATM feature. So about the ATM feature, this is maybe the most important feature I would say you can find on this platform, because it's going to basically help you on a daily basis on your scalping strategies. The point of this ATM feature is for you to be able to prepare before you take a position where your take profit and stop loss will be positioned and will be placed, and to prepare as well a money management strategy to know when automatically your trade will go break even, for example, secure some profits, etc., etc. So my first advice is to use the dollar value. Here, do not take ticks or delta price, take dollar value. Then you can choose the take profit plus stop loss feature. And here on the take profit and stop loss, my advice is to begin with 200 and 200. If you are trading mini futures like I do, okay, with one quantity. Then for the stop loss type, you have a bunch of them here. The one that I'm sure is going to work with Topstep and Apex is the auto trail stop loss type. I know that the auto break even can be also interesting, but again, all the features will not work if you are using a Tradovate account with a Topstep or Apex prop firm. So please use the auto trail to make sure that your scalping ATM will be working fine. Okay. Then for the stop loss, this is how I'm trading with this. So whenever I'm going to hit the $100 profit trigger, then my stop loss will go up to plus $5. It's going to be actually a $95 stop loss, but regarding my profit trigger, right? And this is a trick. This is what's a bit tricky here to understand at first. Everything is about the profit trigger, right? So let's say I'm going to put 200 profit trigger. That means that before my price is actually, before my trade is actually giving me $200 in profit, nothing will happen, right? And if I reach this point, then my trade will be protected at plus $5, right? So here my point is to make sure that because my profit target is $200, I want to make sure that on the way, my position will be automatically protected, right? So if I reach $100 profit, then my stop loss that was at minus 200 will go up to plus $5. So I'm going to cover my fees. And then every $50 extra, my stop loss will follow. So if I reach $150, then my stop loss will go at $55, right? And so on and so on. So it's a good way for you guys to just make sure that you are covered during your scalping positions and that you can, make sure of exactly what you will win or lose on your position, and also to make sure that you will go break even, you don't hesitate, it's going so quickly, right? So I think it's a pretty good feature they have here. So let's just take a trade together. So if I click on buy bid, I'm going to be executed one tick below. If I click on sell ask, I'm going to be executed one tick above. And if I click on buy market or sell market, I'm just going to be executed at the current exact price, right? So let's click on buy bid and let's try to have one scalp with one quantity. So I was executed really quickly. It's actually 4 p.m. Paris time. So this is the opening in the US 30 minutes ago. So it should go quickly. The point for me is just to show you how the ATM will work. So if we reach $100, and you can see my profit and loss here, then the stop loss will automatically go to my entry point plus $5. You will see that right there. All right, so I see that they are trying to break the wicks here, so I think something should happen pretty soon. And there it is. So we reached the $100, and I think you saw that automatically my stop loss went up, right? And now you can see that I reached $150, so my stop loss again went automatically at plus $55. Again, I didn't have to do anything. Everything was prepared and executed automatically. And if I reach my profit target, then my other orders will be completely deleted. And this is also another subject I wanted to share with you guys today. Be very careful whenever you will use Tradovate, because if you don't use the ATM feature, you will have some bad surprises. Let me explain. So, okay, the train was just executed perfectly, and as you can see, it was covered automatically on the way, and I had nothing to do. It's also a good way for you guys to hold your plans, right? So the other thing I wanted to share with you is if I'm deciding to put the ATM off and I'm just taking a buy order, right? Then let's just take it market. Then I'm inside the market, right? I could try to put a take profit there by clicking on sell limits and a stop loss by clicking on sell limit. The problem is these orders are not linked to my buy order, right? Which means that if I execute this order, then I'm gonna get out of the position. It's true, but it's not gonna cancel the other order, which will be a problem. If you forget to cancel it, then whenever the price will come back there, you will be, executed again, even though you didn't want to sell at this time, right? So that's my advice to you guys. You should always open, your trades with an ATM. You can have scalping ATM, whatever. You can prepare a lot of them. So you are sure that with every single position, you have a take profit and a stop loss that are linked to the position, and then you can just, adjust them, whatever you need to do. All right. If you want to close your position, you can just go to the exit at market and cancel button. It will cancel everything and cancel also your live position and your pending orders. All right, guys, the next subject I wanted to talk about is reports, actually. So how can you see your results with Tradovate? You can just click on report and choose the date that you want to see, and you just click on go, right? And then you will see the result of your trading of the day or the last week or whatever you want to see. All right, so this is again a demo account, so I don't have any trade there, but you have a pretty good vision of what you do, and you have all the cool feature you want to see, the drawdown, the risk reward ratio, etc., etc. You can see your orders there, you have the cash histories, your deal details, and you can also download a PDF or a CSV if you want to upload these trades to any trading journal, of your choice. All right. Then I wanted to show you, for me, the most amazing feature you can find on Tradovate. Unfortunately, it's not available with Topstep or Apex, but it's going to be available if you have your own account with Tradovate. So you can go to settings and you can go to risk settings here, right? And once it's done, you can choose your daily loss limits. You can choose your weekly loss limits, daily profit trigger, etc., etc. So as a scalper, it's very good to have this kind of limits because it can help you to actually stop whenever you hit your daily loss or your profit target for the day, and it's going to prevent you to, overtrade actually. So that's a pretty good feature. I also see, but I don't see it here, but I know that on the phone application with iPhone, they have an application that is pretty great actually. And you can even set up the time of the day when you want all your positions flattened and canceled, right? So for me, for example, it's going to be 9 p.m. French time. So I'm sure that all of my positions will be cancelled and I don't have to worry about a trade that would continue overnight. So this is definitely something, if you have a real account with Tradovate, that I would set up, guys, if I were you, because it's going to protect your accounts for sure. With Topstep, right now they just released a new platform. The name is Topstep X. I'm going to make a soon presentation video about it, and you have the exact same features about the risk management, and I think it's pretty cool. Right, guys, do not forget as well that you can connect your Apex, Topstep account, whatever, if you are using Tradovate, with TradingView. For those that are using TradingView on a daily basis, it's pretty simple to do, guys. You can just go to settings, add-on here, and you can just click on activate for TradingView. If you are using an Apex or a Topstep account, this feature will be free, all right? And if you are not, then you can pay the $10 per month. But this can be very useful if you have indicators on TradingView and you just want to use, Tradovate through TradingView. But you will not have access to the ATM features that I just showed you guys. So, it's a choice. If you're a scalper, I think this ATM thing is very good for you in order to protect your position and just hold your plans. All right, thanks very much for listening to me today, guys. Hope the video was good. And do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel as always, and I catch you later for another trading content. Bye.